friends, welcome to New Spear. Today we're going to be making a rain cloud in a jar. So for my materials, I have blue food coloring, a large jar filled almost to the top with water, and some foam shaving cream. So the first thing we're going to do is take our shaving cream, give it a shake, and then add it to the jar. So we're going to make a big cloud in the jar. Boop. There we go. So there's our cloud. And next, we want to add some rainwater to our cloud. So I'm going to take my blue food coloring and add a lot of squirts of it to the shaving cream. So then our cloud will get super heavy. So let's see, I'll probably do about 12. 1, 2. And what's going to happen is the shaving cream is going to get heavy with the food coloring and it should start to rain down. Maybe I'll add a few more drops. Boop, boop, boop. And just like a real cloud that starts to get super heavy with water, eventually the water falls down like rain. So that's what's happening here. Look at the rain falling down. The shaving cream cloud got super heavy with the food coloring and now it's raining down into the jar. So there's our rain cloud in a jar. Thanks for watching, guys.